The purge bulb, more commonly called the primer bulb, manually pumps fuel into the carburetor, which purges the air out of the carburetor. Without a functioning purge bulb, you must pull the starter rope multiple times until the carburetor diaphragm can pump enough fuel into the carburetor for the engine to start. Over time, the purge bulb will harden and crack due to its constant exposure with fuel. Once cracked, it will no longer pump fuel into the carb, causing a hard starting engine. Replacing the purge bulb is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by tipping the tool so I have access to the primer bulb. The primer bulb is secured to the bottom of the carburetor with this metal plate. I'll go ahead and remove the metal plate. As I do that, I want to be careful that the other components of the carburetor don't become separated. I'll press the old primer bulb out of the metal plate and install the new one. And now I'll reinstall this assembly back onto the carburetor. And that's how easy it is to install a new purge bulb on your outdoor equipment. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up